Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greet Arrow. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. So if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. That way you will be supporting my channel and it will mean a lot to me, okay? And if you have already subscribed, thank you for the support. I appreciate it a lot. Okay guys, thank you so very much. So in the description box below I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. Okay, so the pick card for today is blessings coming your way. So today we are going to do a very positive reading. I hope after listening to this reading you will be feeling very good about yourself and being being in that positive vibration and you will, I hope you raise your vibration. Okay, so yeah, so let's see. So I have 3 piles over here. This is for group number 1, green aventurine. Okay, so the second group is this rose quartz and the third group is obsidian. Okay, oh my god. I'm sorry for that. Okay, like I just keep doing this anyways. So like this is for group number 3. Yeah, so group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3. So close your eyes, relax your mind, and you can go by numbers also if you want, 1 2 3 or crystals, but the main thing is you need to select a pile that intuitively calls you. Okay, so that's the important thing. Okay, so just connect with your guides, free your mind and just ask yourself what are the blessings coming your way and just select a pile. Okay, so if you need more time, please go ahead and pause the video, and in the description box below I'll be providing the timestamp so you can skip ahead and see your reading. Okay, so yeah, let's go with group number 1. Everyone who had chose this green aventurine, let's see what is the blessing coming your way. So we have possibilities and we have this, look, this bird can see so much, they have a higher view, so you will have a higher view about everything. And I feel the sun is finally rising. Okay, you're going to be very passionate about the things you do. Finally you will be happy, you will be feeling energetic about yourself, and you will be happy, you will be loving yourself. I feel like that. And many of you are, you will be having that creative ideas to move forward with your goals, desires. So finally you are loving yourself, finally the sun is shining and you're yourself. In the past you were not yourself. You were like, I feel very anxiety for this pile, so you're very anxious about something. Finally you're letting go of that and moving into your own power. I feel like that, and because of that many possibilities will be, many opportunities will be provided to you. And yeah, look at this card, healing. You're healing. Maybe for some of you it is a physical healing, for some of you it's mental healing. So many of you are letting go of your past and finally the heart center is opening, and because of that you will be seeing so many possibilities in love life or in your career. So whatever happened, you're letting go of it, you're cutting the cords, and you have so many people around you that will help you in this process. I feel for many of you, you're in the process of healing, and finally you will be healed and you will open the heart center and you will receive all the blessings. Okay, with this 4 number rest, yes, again this is also a healing card. So you are healing, guys, you're healing. So you take, your body is healing. For some of you it might be your health was not so good, finally you're recovering from that and you're happy, you're feeling energetic, you will be feeling energetic in the future. So you will be happy about your health and you will be finally feeling lively. And I feel because mental health is also important, right? So finally your mental health also will be good. You will be feeling, you will be back in action, you will be going towards your dreams, goals, and nothing can stop you again. Look, success with this 21 volt, the cycle has ended. Okay, so the past is gonna go, you're gonna move towards your future. And for some of you, you will travel, but you will be taking a vacation, you will be doing some fun activities, you will be loving yourself, you will be glowing. So yes, you are healing, you're gonna heal, and all that past traumas are gonna heal. You're gonna cut cords. You're not thinking about your past anymore. You will be leaving the past behind and you're going to move forward, and you will be living in the present moment. That is your blessing. Okay, for some of you, definitely you might relocate also to some other place. For some of you, that I can see that also with this world card. And finally, maybe some of you are taking a vacation or something, like maybe to some, not far away place, but some near places. You will go and have fun, relax and be happy, like that kind of energy. And when you will be healed, I feel many of you will be healed, and that is your main blessing, that healing is happening. You're finally opening your heart center with this look. You choose the green aventurine, also the green color, right? You will be connecting with nature, so you need to ground your energy, you need to meditate also, I feel like that. But finally your health is okay, I feel like that. You will be having the power to move forward, you will be stepping in your power, and you will be feeling so relaxed and happy. Okay, so yeah, separation and engagement. So with these two cards, look at that, I kind of feel like that maybe in the past, yeah, so maybe that was your problem. You were separated, you were, your ex, you are healing, you're healing, you're letting go of your ex. I feel for many of you, you're letting go of your ex, and in the future you will be meeting a person who will be very loyal, okay, who will be very, very, committed to you. So yeah, that is coming, and many of you will meet, I feel you will be meeting soon, and you'll, because you have let go of your past, you have let go of this person. Finally you have let go, you have new, I feel that is the blessing that is coming. You're letting go of your past and you're moving towards your future, yes, your bright future. And then in this future you will meet someone who will be very, very loyal, who will be very committed to you, and you will have a good life together. Okay, so maybe this relationship was a very karmic relationship. Maybe this person was for some time in your life to, sometimes you need to balance that karma, I feel like that. So you are separated, and you had problem with this person, you were not letting go of this person, but finally I feel you're letting go of this person, you're letting go, you're healing, you're opening your heart center. Finally you're ready, you're ready again, you're ready to love again, I feel like that, finally. And in this process you will find a new person in your life, and you will be happy about it, I feel like that you finally released, you'll be releasing this ex or whatever it is, I feel like that. I don't feel, I don't know, I don't feel that you will be coming back together, I don't know. Maybe for some of you, you will be connecting, but for many of you, I don't know, I feel like you will be going on a different path, because this person might have cheated you or something like that. So I don't feel, because yeah, now you have realized that you are more worthier than that, you have your own worth, you have your own self-respect, okay, you're understanding that, and finally you're moving away from that. Okay, so that is your blessing for many of you. Okay, look at that, with this vulture and this kite, look, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. So maybe you had this problem with this person, you had endured a lot. Finally you are, maybe this was an abusive relationship, so finally you're out of that situation, you are healed, and you are, from one stage of your life you are going to another stage. You will be living your life, you're leaving your past behind, you're healing, and finally things are coming together, and no, this person cannot hurt you anymore, and finally you're growing, your inner self is growing. Finally your mental health is getting stable, and finally you are happy in yourself, and yes, you're ready to receive all the love, you're ready to you'll be ready to receive all the blessings, because you were not receiving, because your heart was closed. Finally your heart is gonna open, and you will receive all the blessings. Okay, so yeah, so that's what for group number 1. Beautiful reading, you're healing, guys, whatever it is, whatever your situation is. Okay, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Okay guys, so that's all I have for group number 1. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. Bye bye, take care. Whoever chose this rose quartz, so let's see what is your blessing that is coming your way. Let's see. Okay, Seven of Swords energy, politics, harmony. Okay, so your blessing is you're moving away from that kind of people who always gossip, who always like to create drama, who are like they wear a mask. Like you are letting go of that kind of people, and finally you will be feeling happy in your world. You will be meeting the people who are good to you and whom you can trust. Okay, so trustworthy people are coming your way. So that is main blessing. All these people who were playing politics with you, who were gossiping around you, the fake friends, all are going away from you, and your blessing is you will be finally happy, you will be finally peaceful, you will be finally enjoying your life, because you will be away from these kind of negative energies. Okay, like the snake people, that kind of energy, where they will say something, two-faced people, they will be like, oh, you look so beautiful, and they will turn back and say, oh, what is she wearing, or something like that kind of energy, that kind of vibe, negative vibing, negative vibes they give. That kind of energy will be going away from you. That is your blessing. Wow, so that's a nice thing. So drama, you will be moving away from the dramas in your life, and finally you will be feeling at peace, finally relaxing. You'll be happy, you'll be enjoying your life. I feel like that with this 10 harmony card. You'll be I feel you'll be having good time with your family also. You'll be connecting with your family members, you'll be having a good time with your family members. And if you're and you will be letting go of the people who were not good for you. That's the blessing here. Yeah, satisfaction with life, right? Six of Cups. The people who have done bad to you, you are letting go of that people now. No, they cannot hurt you anymore, and because you're being protected by the divine, you are going to enjoy your life. Okay, you will be successful in whatever you do, and you're just letting go of these kind of people, and you know who is good for you, whom you can trust. Yes, that is the blessing. Okay, love. Okay, wow. So maybe some of you are meeting your soulmate because of the Two of Cups energy. You will be very satisfied in your love life. I feel like that. Okay, so maybe this is a soulmate, maybe it's a past life connection or something like that. Maybe for many of you are spiritually awakening, and your energies are coming together, like the divine masculine, divine feminine energies are coming together. Your family life is going to be very, very good. I feel like that you will be very, very satisfied with your family life. Or maybe from some some person is coming from your past, that you will be connecting with them with the 6 and 2. I feel like that. And the thing is, I feel your family life will be very peaceful. That is your blessing. Your family life will be very peaceful. And this 7 of Swords energy, the politics, who play politics, that kind of people are out of your life. And you're connecting with your soulmate, and this person knows exactly what you want in your life. They will be supporting you. They will be, maybe this will lead to marriage also. I feel like that finally you will find a space where you will be yourself, and you'll be so happy, very joyful, very, your love life, your relationship will be very nice. In the past, they were, in the past you had the relationship that was not good for you. Maybe some narcissist people were there in your life. Finally you're letting go of them, and you're going to be very joyful, very happy. Yes, you're meeting your soulmate, and you're connecting. Maybe it's a friend. Okay, maybe it's a friend you're connecting with, past friend. In your past you had this friend, you're connecting with them, you're having a good time together. And love life also, I feel like that finally you'll meet this person, and you'll be so happy. For some of you, I feel you're this, who is this person, and you're gonna connect with them more and more. Oh my God, look at this past life relationship with the 6 of Cups here. This is also about past life, past, someone from your past is entering your life, and then they will be your soulmate. You will be connecting with them. And with this past life, the same thing. You have known each other before. Okay, maybe this is a past life relationship. So this person is your soulmate. Okay, wow, I feel for many of you with this 10 of Cups energy and this 2 of, you'll be marrying this person. So this is your blessing. This is your blessing coming your way very soon. Okay, so I feel some of you have met this person, or some of you are gonna meet this person very soon. Okay, so yes, okay, so yeah, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So you need, if you're manifesting that, just clearly decide what you want. Okay, finally for this pile, you will have a very happy home life. You will be marrying someone you love, This person might be your soulmate, maybe a past life relationship, and you'll be connecting with this person. And for some of you, you might be connecting with your friend and having a good time. That can also be the case, and all the family drama is gone away. That's the thing, and if you're already in a relationship, I feel you will be growing, you will be loving each other more and more, you will be understanding each other more and more. And finally, with the 6 number, is all about harmony, peace and relationship, balancing, partnership will be balanced. And if you are in a business partnership, I feel you will be satisfied in that also, you will be doing that also, I feel like that. Look, wow, yeah, you had so much of sorrow over a loss. You had that loss, because of these kind of people in your life. You had, but finally you're getting out of the situation. In the future, you're not gonna be sad, okay? You'll be happy in your love life. Oh my God, path with money is waiting you to find it. Okay, so for some of you, you are gonna find that money path also. So new career, okay, you maybe in the past you had some disappointments. Finally you will find that path where you will be making money also. Maybe some business ideas will come, and you will be, business partnership, I can say business partnership also. Maybe you will do a business partnership with your loved one, maybe with a friend, with your soulmate. You will be doing a business partnership, collaboration, I can see that. And because of that, you will be able to make money. Look, birth or conception of a child or enterprise. Okay, so for some of you, you might be conceiving, okay, and because of that, your relationship will grow more stronger. I feel like that. For some of you, it might be a child you will conceive, and for some of you, you might collaborate and start a business partnership. I see a business partnership with this 2 of Cups and this crib. I feel like that you will be starting a business. With your friend or someone whom you can trust. Clearly you can trust, not with these kind of people, not with the 7 of Swords energy people, only with whom you can trust. So your main blessing is that you will have a peaceful home life, and you will be starting a business. And I feel this business will flourish, and it is going to be a collaboration, okay, maybe with your friend, okay, maybe with your friend. If you're planning to do with your friend, I feel this will be a success, okay. Finally, the loss, you're letting go of all the loss. You had so many failures in your life. Finally, you're letting go of that. And if you're single, you're gonna meet this person soon, and this is going to be your soulmate, okay. And if you're in a relationship, I feel maybe some of you will do something with your partner, business with your partner, and that will grow. As for some of you, that can also happen. But finally, the main blessing, all these 7 of Swords energy, the people who wanted to create drama, they were not trustworthy. These kind of people are getting out of your life, and finally trustworthy people are coming into your life, and you will be happy. And in that way, your business is also going to improve, okay. So that is the blessing. Wow, nice. For group 2, I like this reading. So that's all I have for group 2. If you like the reading, give it a like, comment, share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. So group 3, you would choose this black obsidian. Let's see, what is your reading, what is your blessing? Okay, so I feel this is my spiritual pile. So consciousness, so you're going to connect with your consciousness, you're going to connect with your higher self, you're going to connect with your angels, spirit guides, whoever you believe in. You're getting into spirituality, you're completely transforming. And with this Death card, yes, you're completely transforming as a very kind-hearted person. You're getting more compassionate, and your relationship also will improve, because you are completely changing. You're evolving from inside. Your inner growth is gonna grow internally, and you're doing the inner work, and finally you will be seeing the blessings in the outer world also, because you're changing your perspective about so many things. You're connecting with your intuition, you're connecting with your divine, okay, and that all the answers are within. So your intuition is on point, okay guys. So whenever you feel stuck, trust your intuition, because that will give you the answer, because your answer is within yourself, okay. For some of you, you are understanding your purpose, you're understanding your gifts also, I feel like that. And many of you might change your career also, I feel like that. You will be changing into a spiritual based career or business or something like that. Maybe some of you are changing your career completely. For some of you, you're connecting with your intuition, and you're making decision based on intuition, and that will give you success. So you're understanding that your intuition is in point, and if you have not, if you don't know that, this is your blessing. Okay, your spiritual gifts, you have some gifts also, I feel like that. You gifted people, I feel like that, and you can connect with the divine, and with this I feel you will be helping other people also, and people will be saying, oh my god, she has changed so much, or he has changed so much. You completely transform into a new person, like it's like a new birth. Your ego has, ego has been, ego death happened, and finally you are becoming a completely different person. Okay, your self growth is immense, and yes, that is the thing, that is your blessing. Your spirituality is your blessing. Okay, moment to moment. So I feel sometimes you will have problem balancing spirituality and practicality, but I feel you will be balancing it well. Okay, with this, look, you got this Two of Pentacles energy 2 times, so you will be balancing your inner, you will be balancing both the practical side of the world and your intuition, your inner side. You will be balancing well with the spirituality and this practicality. Okay, you will be meditating and balancing it well. So you will be balancing your home life and your spirituality, or your career, your spirituality, whatever is that, you will be balancing well. And I feel your partnership is also going to be very good. Why? Because you have changed, you are changing your perspective, and if there is an argument, you look at different person's opinion, what they're thinking. You will be having that kind of, you'll be like a judge who will see like two sides, okay, and then make a decision. That kind of energy is coming. So that's why I feel your relationship is also going to grow, it will evolve, and yes, you can completely trust your intuition because it is on point. Okay, then that is your blessing. 6, yeah, well-being. With the 6 well-being, you will be like good. I feel your career will be good, your home life will be good, and you will be able to balance these both. Okay, there will be peace. You will have the inner peace. With this white rose and this red rose, you will have this inner peace, you will have this love, and you will be regenerating, with this leaves and all. You're going to grow from inside and outside. You're going to grow, yes, that's the thing. Your life will be well balanced, and now you know that you need to compromise on something. Some days you need to compromise, and you will be compromising also, I feel like that. Okay, and that's why your relationship will be like very nice. If you're in a relationship, you will have a very good relationship with your partner, I feel like that. Okay, that is your blessing. And if you're single, I feel you will, right now you will be like handling your career and your spirituality well, I feel like that. So you're understanding your gifts, and maybe some of you, as I said, you will start something spiritually, or that will be like successful, I feel like that. Okay, for some of you, you will be able to manage your children's also well. Okay, so children are important to you. So for some of you, you are mothers or father. Okay, so you will be providing good values to your children, and your children, you will be happy with them. You will be happy about their achievements. You will be proud of them, I feel like that also, for some of you. And for some of you, you might conceive. Okay, you will be very happy about it also, and that will change your perspective about things, and you will be, you will start something new, like a motherhood that will be new to you, and you will be loving. Okay, and yeah, children will, I feel sometimes, you will get your answers through children also, I feel like that, and there is dogs also. Okay, so yes, so maybe you're adopting a pet or something, maybe something like that, children or pet that will make you happy. They will make you happy. Okay, so if you have a children, spend time with spend time with them, because I feel, you will get your answers through children also. Okay, maybe if you have a pet, to spend time with them. Okay, and let your friends help you. For this card, I particularly feel that you will be helping your friends. Okay, you will be helping your friends, you will be motivating your friends, you will be giving ideas to your friends or something like that also, I feel like that. Okay, and maybe your friends might take care of your children also, like they might babysit your children for some of you, while you're in work or something like that. They will help you in that case with your children or something. for someone, this is a specific message. I feel like that. Anyways, you will be helping your friends, they will be helping you. You know, your relationship will be balanced. That's the thing with this Two of Pentacles. Your career life, your relationships with your family, your partnerships, all will be balanced. And I feel for many of you, if you felt that your your career was not doing good, finally you will receive the money also, the blessings also. I feel like that also. Wow. So it's completely transformation. You're transforming. The main blessing is you're completely transforming as a new person, a very kind person, and the person who will be loving and caring, at the same time taking stand. You know, you are going to be in your power. You will not you will not take shit of other people. I'm sorry for saying that, but I feel like that. You know, you're not going to take crap of other people. You know where you stand and you are in your power. That is the thing here. Like, look, muddled, unclear thinking, that is going to go away. If you have, if you're confused, I said that if you're confused right now, you will have a better understanding of the things. Okay, you will get a clarity. You will get clarity about certain things, certain people, whatever it is. Okay, you're gonna get the clarity because your intuition is gonna be strong, and you know your inner guidance is loud and clear. If you feel that this person is not good for you, that means it's not good. Okay, because your intuition is like strong here with these cards. I feel like that. And look at that, 4-leaf clover. Great good fortune is coming, guys. Wow. So yes, finally with the 6 of Pentacles energy, well-being, you know, your career and your home life will be balanced. You know, you will be able to make money also. You will have that financial freedom, I feel, for many of you. So if you were thinking about it, when you will have that financial freedom, maybe you were in a codependent relationship, finally you will be finding that also, that freedom, you know, where you will have your own money, where you can spend money the way you want. Okay, that kind of energy is also coming. So yes, maybe for some of you, you will get money through inheritance or something like that. That is also possible. Okay, so that's all I have for group number 3. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care.